guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a cheap and easy strawberry fence out of a sushi roll mat. So I bought this from the 100 yen store, which is equivalent to about 90 cents US dollar. For this DIY, you will need a sushi roll mat and something to cut with. In this video, I used hedge clippers. What I really like about the sushi roll mat is that it's flexible, so you can wrap it around as you like. Having the strawberries elevated helps protect against insects and other pests. And that is my cheap and easy DIY strawberry fencing. Thanks for watching!